कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India finally. I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Kameghalaya Boxing Association and Boxing Federation of India harangkat kejingkarsan lang jong katanat sports and youth affairs jong ka sarkar Jylla. Saisin biang kan penlong ka 7 Elite Men's Boxing Championships arja apply Shillong. Habiakaran berkilat patai kubor, Presiden Kameghalaya Boxing Association ba Cornelius Kharhunai, ula pentip bakane kalempung kan sedang haka arpsan tarik unai wieng, hadu kasi tarik unopra. Syu nakaliang Presiden ula pentip ru, bakin dan kirang yikura ki belapa wakari, bat ki belakur takma ki ransan yikura baper, bat lakmi lenti, bagi baya Shim menta kinwan naki arpenyau ne arpu prateli ki Jylla, bat kindan kumba ars pasan pau hadu lais pangut ki rang yikura.
Kajingan bagi ini kasih kalau sebentar kamu benar ya kami kecampur cepat kabar nak bagi boxing tunjuk berkat boxing federation India lengkap berkat jingan lengkap lang berkat state yang department juga state sports youth dan apa seperti juga soka ini apabila itu belum dilaksanakan 7 Elite Men National Championship belum akan sementara naik juga aja apa hado kastere naik semua aja apply kapan long hafte hampo sai itu kapan sana tahu di bagi lain givi Bynta lain technical part iba activities maksudnya nah di hal yang itu seperti technical itu ini pada rekan main batai kami dah Bynta
Kulai jadi Presiden Kameghalaya Boxing Associations. First of all, at the outset, I'd like to thank the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, Dr. Vijay Kumar, the Commissioner Secretary, and then the Director is Awanda Lalu. She will be the Chairman of the 7 Elite Men National Boxing Championship 2023. Sai Indoor Multi Hall, Nihu Campus, Molai Mogoro, Shillong from 25th November to 1st December 2023. This initiative, this tournament will be organized by the Meghalaya Boxing Associations and Boxing Federations of India and sponsored by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. We expect the team will be coming with around the 27-28 states, and then 2-3 boats will be coming, and then 6-7 union territories units will be coming to participate in this first 7 Elite Men National Boxing Championship together in Shillong. Actually, this championships it's coming at to Shillong. The initiative of the Boxing Federations of India to organize this 7 Elite Men National Boxing Championships, then deal with the selections of the national teams. National teams to be participate. There are some who qualify for the Paris Olympics next year. So the weight category for the championships will be 13. It will be 46 to 48. 51 kg, 54, 57, 60, 63.5, 67, 71, 75, 80, 86, 92, and 92 plus kg. The team will be, there are some top boxers who will be coming. The names of like Amit Bangal, he is the world silver medalist in 2019 at Dubai. And he also the 2018 Asian Games, and then there are some names also like Deepak, who won the world bronze medalist in 2023. And then we have means like Sessions, who is the World Youth Champion 2018 at Poland. And then we have also the Northeast most seasons national players, Shiva Thapa from Assam. He's a two-time Olympian and then six-time Asian Championships medalist, World Bronze medalist. And then we have also some of the names like Manish Kaushik, who's the Olympian at the 2022 Tokyo Olympic. And then we have also in the 67 kg, like Rohit Tokas. He's the Commonwealth Games 2022 England bronze medalist. There are many top boxers who will be coming because they have to prepare for the Paris Tokyo Olympics and also the other international events. And then we expected the players is around 350 to 400. And then expected coaches will be coming around 120, 110 or 120. And then we expected means the technical officials from outside means around 60. And then it will be means around 550 to 600 will be coming to participate for this championship, for the national championships. And then we have formed also in collaborations with the sport department, we have formed and constitute the organizing committee under the leaderships and chairmanships of the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Simiti Isawanda Ladu. And then myself, I will be the organizing secretary, and then the others, and then the president of the Media Boxing Institute will be the co-chairman. And then we also already form and constitute the other committees who will be looking after the accommodations, foods, and then others committee like transportations and others. So we have started the preparations. We have started the preparations right from when the government has given the information to go ahead with these championships, and then we already means booked for the accommodations, means the guest house, hotels, and then etc. And then for the people who will be coming for traveling from far away for the smooth stay at Shillong. And then for our team, the team of Meghalaya, we will have the team selections from 11 November 2023. And then we will select from this date. So that we do not know how many weight category we will be selected. The weight category will be 13. I think we'll expect from the state team will be around 9 to 10 boxers will be participates. And then from after the selection track, we will put the preparations onward from 13 onwards till the championship will be started. The expected budget is means around 1 crore plus. I think we already put the proposal to the government, and then the government has been respond, and then we will see and see how the government's means sponsored. Actually, the Boxing Federation of India will be sponsored. I think we expect those sponsorships will be coming in the next few days.
Any corporate sponsorships are coming forward for this?
No, actually, because it's short of this, the media boxing and still don't go for the corporates. I think we expect from the government to give a full 100% budget. Yeah, along with the BFI. See, actually, we feel that after the BFI informed us that they will organize the men's elites, actually national boxing championships. There will be in a very short notice. Actually, we didn't consider this championship to be held actually because of the exams and other few things. But after the government means they want us to go ahead, and then we try our best that this is the opportunities for all of us to move on and then give the opportunity also to our boxers. Expectations for boxers because it's the elite event, because some of the top boxers and some of the elite boxers in the country is very good, and then it's a very stiff competition from our side. But hopefully there are some boxers who are from our side also who have done well in the recently Northeast Boxing Championships. There are 60 kgs, Button Cooper is the gold medalist, and the other Bhala is the gold medal. I think we hope that some of the other weight also like Sanjeev who won the zone and then the other boxers. Then we hopefully that we expected that they will move and expected that at the home turf then they will do a very good chance to move and win the medals. The issue is that there is I don't want to talk about this issue because it's the internal issues of the International Olympic Councils with the IBA. There are some politics there. We don't want to talk internally because this is the championship that we organize. And hopefully that some of the boxers also will be going for the Paris Olympic. I think this issue is the internal issues between the international body. I think we stay that they will solve as soon as possible for the best interest of the boxers. Yes, hopefully because we take this advantage and opportunity for this, coaching pads actually at the end of the day, I think we need more support from the government actually because this is the international, this is the amateur sports. Actually, mostly this is not a professional that we can get a sponsor from others, corporates or other sectors. But the thing is that we try our best. We have the indoor hall at Amola Moblo, and then we have the boxing ring also, which means fixed there. And then we try our best to give the coachings means whatever it is with the facilities that we got.
Are you getting coaching from the international levels or?
No, I think this will be means according to the funds that we get, and then hopefully that this championships will look to that extent, means in regard to our level of our boxers how they perform.